Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AppSheet to create field service apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the AppSheet website. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, click on the Start for Free button to create a new app. Select the option to create an app from scratch. Choose a data source for your app, such as Google Sheets or Excel. After selecting the data source, AppSheet will automatically create an initial app layout based on your data. Click on the Data tab in the left sidebar. Here, you can add new tables or modify existing ones to suit your field service needs. Add a table for customer information by clicking on the plus icon. Define the columns you need, such as customer name, address, and phone number. Next, add a table for service requests. Include columns like request ID, service type, status, and date requested. Once your tables are set up, navigate to the UX tab. Here, you can customize the user interface of your app. Choose the type of view you want to create, such as a dashboard or table view. Adjust the settings for your chosen view, including the display format and color themes. Now move on to the Behavior tab. This section allows you to define actions and workflows for your app. Create actions like Add New Service Request by defining the appropriate behavior. Set up notifications for status updates by clicking on the workflow. You can trigger notifications based on specific events, such as when a new service request is submitted. Next, navigate to the Users tab. Here, you can manage user permissions and roles within the app. Decide who will have access to the app and what functionalities they can use. Finally, test your app by clicking the Preview button. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing results. When you are satisfied, save your app and deploy it to make it available for users. Congratulations, you have successfully configured AppSheet to create a field service app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.